Hey, I'm Steve at the shop at the Woodturning store, and in this video, which will be a short one, I'm going to show you how to install the C-jaws into the Axminster SK114 chuck. This technique applies to any chuck, whether it's Axminster or any other brand, any scroll chuck where you are installing the jaws on carriers into the chuck. All right, so let's look. First thing I'm going to do is I have my chuck set up, and I have jaw number 1 here at the top. I'm going to look at my jaw itself, and I have jaw number 1, and in this case on the Axminster, I'll double check that my jaw carrier is number 1. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to look down into this groove, and I don't know if you can see it, hopefully you can see it, but I'm going to turn this around so the tooth comes just past the first jaw groove. See that? Right there? I'm going to back it away, take my jaw in, push down, hold it, and turn it just a little bit so now I get past it and the internal scroll gear is about here. Now I'm going to move over here. I'm going to look at number 2 slot. Now I see that tooth come just past. I'll back it up, drop the number 2 in, turn it just a little bit, come around to number 3. Here comes the gear tooth around. I'll back it up so it's sitting about here. I'll drop in number 3, come around to number 4. There's my tooth, back it up, drop it in. Now all 4 jaws are engaged, tighten it up, and all 4 jaws will center properly. Super simple once you've seen it, but pretty tricky if you haven't seen it before. That's it. I hope that helps, and we'll see you on the next video.